Yeah, my name is Yash Agarwal. I'm the co-founder of Carbonetics. We are a carbon capture company. So we are the company who will be responsible for making green cement. So as you might already know, cement has process emissions which cannot be abated through solar or wind or any other non-conventional electricity or power resource. So we are offering a complete carbon capture solution. So if you see in the back, we have a mobile testing unit which can allow cement companies to decarbonize on a rental basis. And this is the first time that this concept has arrived in India. So yeah, that's us, and meet us here and no more. The footfall was good. All major cement players were present. I am hoping for the others to join in tomorrow. But yeah, the customer response is good. We are taking in bookings, so it's good. Okay, thank you so much.